Hey there, it's Brittany and I'm back with an unboxing video from Vintaj. So I shopped their Black Friday sale. It took quite a while for this to get here. I ordered on November 25th and I think it didn't ship until December 5th. And then I got it a few days after that. So quite a long time. And I was disappointed because the one thing I really wanted out of my whole order was canceled. And that was just frustrating because that was the reason I made the order. But life goes on, so let's get into what I got. So I got some Parawire in 21 gauge twisted. So I had some of this, I think in 18 gauge, but since it was half off, I decided to get it in 21 gauge as well. I love it. That's great for making jump rings and or wire wrapping. I also got the 21 gauge in natural brass, so it's like their dark antique brass color. And then I got some 28 gauge natural brass, so really tiny. They didn't have it in copper, or else I would have gotten it, or any other color. And then I got some pieces. Came with a cute little sticker. I don't know the names of these, so I'm just going to show them to you. Isn't that cool? It looks a little like Art Deco-y to me. I really love it. It's a connector, but it can be changed into so many different things. A bail, you can curve it to make it into a bracelet bar. You could probably turn it into a ring, anything really. Then I got a few different sizes of the rivets. So you use these to connect filigrees instead of gluing or whatever else you want to use. And I saw somebody, I can't even remember, do a demonstration using them. So I didn't even know they existed, which is so cool because sometimes I want to connect to my filigrees and gluing just takes a long time. So eventually we'll use these on the channel. These cute little donuts. Not like I needed any new stampings because I have a ton from Lori. But I loved those. Those are so cute. This pair. Cute little flower charm filigree. Love that. I could put some rhinestones on there if I wanted. Or I could put this on top of like a cabochon or something. Some little turtles. Oh, I broke the bag. Look how cute these little turtles are. These are perfect for some like Southwest earrings. Yet again, another reason why I wish I wore earrings. So cute. This was like, it kind of looked like an eye to me, although the hole is up here instead of on where I would think if it was an eye, but I can always create another hole. Super cute. Love those. There are 3 in the baggie. Got these 2 like little frame charms. Really pretty. Natural brass color. 2 like oval settings. I could put a cabochon in there. Cute. I think I saw somebody enamel these. And then last but not least, a flower. Not the flower I really wanted, but the other one I purchased, which is really pretty. I think I might even have this in antique brass, but I didn't have it in this bright gold brass color. So overall, pretty cool. I think my favorites were these little turtles. Yeah, that was my favorite. So thanks for watching. Let me know what your favorite was. Have you ever ordered from Vintaj? And I hope you have a good day. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Bye-bye. Are you happy mommy's home? Yeah. Good girl, Goldie. Good girl. We love you. Yeah. We love you. Oh, look at that sweet little face. Look at that sweet little face. You don't like when the camera's out, do you? That's okay. Say hi, everybody. Say hi. Happy first day of winter. LOL.